Hi guys. Today we're just gonna be undoing my hair and putting some deep conditioner in it and just taking this situation off my head. And we're gonna do a young Q&A. I'm probably gonna add a few questions later on. I went on my Insta and I asked you guys to ask me a question, and I got a few questions. But yeah, we're gonna answer those questions, and I'm probably gonna find some questions online and we'll just do that. This year has been a lot, and for sure, like, I've changed. So the first question is it hard being away from a part of the fam that you're so used to, as in the ones in SA? Definitely, like, yo guys, from the moment I hit high school, right, I've lived with my brother and my sister, and basically it's been mostly the three of us for like since forever. I don't know, it was what, 5-6 years ish of it just being the three of us. So definitely, like, I definitely got used to being with them. So hey guys, it's so weird. This is the first time I've ever left for more than a month at a time, like, or anyone's ever lived for more than a month. This is not something that happens, So yeah, I definitely miss them, but maybe I'll see them soon. I think, maybe, I don't know. Guys, they put, what's this thing? They put a thread while she was doing my hair, she put a thread at first because it grows your hair, I guess. And now I'm gonna have such a hard time trying to take it off because it's still tight. Anyway, the second question is why is your little sister twerking? The video he's referring to is this one. And okay, if you're Angolan, you know the song Upinting, and basically it's just people, I don't even know how to explain, but it's a song and people talk to it. So yeah, no, she's twerking. I don't understand. I don't know why she's twerking. Don't ask me. I don't know. Next question is, would you rather have a love full of ups and downs or no love? I want to say no love, but like, that's a deep one. That's a deep one, yo. From recent experience, like, okay, love is nice, love is nice, but then after you get heartbroken and it's like, yeah, no. But I think I would go no love. No love is fine. I'll be single and alone forever. I'm lying. No, but definitely for now I would say no love. Like, I'm okay, thank you, you can go, thanks. I don't have much to say about this question because, like, hey man, I've been through a lot. So yeah, what's your dream career or major if you were going to the free bird route? I don't know if I have too much of a dream career. Like, I wanted to be so many things, guys. I wanted to be a pilot, I wanted to be an air hostess, I wanted to be a spy, I wanted to be a doctor, specifically a pediatrician. I wanted to be a physiotherapist recently. I still kind of do want to do physiotherapy. I've also wanted to do biomedical science, which is what I'm at now. Like, I feel convinced that I want to do biomedical sciences. What else? Like, I wanted to do a lot of things. If I were to go the free bird route, Hashem, I don't actually know what I would choose. I just feel like I'd have so many options and I wouldn't actually end up choosing in the end. So low-key, I'm glad it's not like the free bird thing, because I don't know, it's too many options and I suck at making decisions, like life altering decisions. I hate making them. I would rather not. So yeah, I'd definitely say my dream career, like, if I can just cut out all the years of studying, would definitely be either to become a pediatrician or a physiotherapist. I've always wanted to work with athletes, mostly because I like sports and I enjoy learning about human anatomy. So if I could just like put those two together, then I think I'll be very happy, because they're two of my like top interests. I really want to study something that has to do more with dealing with things like cancer and HIV and just terminal diseases. Basically, I've wanted to learn about them, like how it works, TB, cancer. That's where I'm headed, I think, unless I change my mind again, which, you know, everything can happen. I mean, I'm on a gap year. I'm really not in a hurry to, I don't know, find a major. I can still, if I decide to, I can still change my mind. So yeah, right now I'm at biomedical sciences. Who knows, maybe 2 months from now I'll want to do physio again. I went to get this little guy here. Hopefully I won't cut my hair. The last time I did, I cut like this much of my hair off. So we're just gonna be careful with it. And yeah. Alright guys, this is so dangerous. Like, I'm so scared to actually cut my hair. No? The last time I cut it, did I not almost cry? Oh guys, the hair is coming out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is this breakage or did I cut? Next question is, what you doing with your life right now? What am I doing with my life right now? Well, nothing much, honestly. Hey, I'm not doing anything I would say significant with my life right now. I'm just chilling, really. I'm waiting on a few things. Once again, always waiting for something. I don't know, it seems to be the theme of the year, waiting. So yeah, I'm waiting for something. What I can say is that I'm definitely trying to post more consistently on the channel. I'm trying to post every Wednesday, which it's been okay so far. I think I'm having a good creative stream so far. For the 2 or 3 months that I wasn't posting, I didn't know what to film and how to go about it and whether or not people would watch, and I was just asking myself a lot of questions. Now I'm having ideas of what I want to post and I'm being able to execute them, because one thing that I was trying to avoid also during that time when I wasn't posting is posting things that just are for the purpose of me posting a video, you know, just posting for posting so that there's something. So what is my 5-year plan? Yeah, like 5-year plan. Do I even have a 1-year plan? I don't know. Okay, I do have a 5-year plan actually. Okay, I don't have a set 5-year plan, but I have an idea kind of what I want to do. One of the more nonsense parts of my 5-year plan is to get abs and keep them, okay? And then the other one is to have so obviously I still want to study. Hopefully I'll start studying next year and then I'll finish my degree in maybe 2023, I think 2024-ish. Even saying those dates is just weird, but anyway, I'll finish it then, and then I'm gonna pursue my master's after that. During my whole educational period, I guess, I definitely want to try and venture into the business side of things. I want to try and get a business running. I have quite a few ideas on what to do. This is making me realize that I actually don't have any long-term plans, like any concrete long-term plans that don't include school, which is bad. It's very bad. So yeah, we're definitely gonna do that, because wow, I don't think I'm gonna keep doing this on camera. I'll probably just come back and I'll be done, because this thread that they put here is making my life very difficult. I should be done with this section by now and I'm not even halfway done. Okay, so I'm done shampooing my hair and there's a lot of breakage, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I need to like trim my hair. So we're in my room now. This is my thingy. It's my deep conditioner. It's an intense hydration conditioning mask. While we do this, I just wanted to talk about a few things. Well, not a few things, like 1 or 2 things that I spoke about, I think, in my previous Q&A, or like the first Q&A that I did. I was telling you guys why I don't wear makeup in my last Q&A. I do remember saying that I didn't want to wear makeup because I wanted to get comfortable in my skin before like experimenting with makeup or anything like that. And yeah, I think I think we're done with that now. Like, okay, I still feel like I won't wear makeup because I've done my makeup now maybe 3 times, and it's such a long process, guys. It's way too long for me, honestly. I wouldn't do that every day. So yeah, but I definitely want to try and do like more light makeup type of thing, like only do maybe some eyeshadows, the brows, some highlighter, you know, basic things, nothing hectic. I definitely feel like I'm going into that. And now, like, I just want to wear wigs. Oh my gosh, I don't know why. I just want to wear wigs. I want to have, you know, I want to look different. You understand what I mean? Like, I think I'm at this point where I just want to do something. I thought about dyeing my hair, but I'm not gonna do that. The next best thing is to wear a wig, because I mean, I can dye my wig, I can have it long, I can have it short, I can have it blue, I can have it pink. So why not wear a wig? This is the hair that's come out of that section. My hair's been breaking for quite a while. I know this is very messy, like it looks messy and it is quite messy. So yeah. Oh, if you're wondering why there's a chair over there by the door, it's because the door doesn't close. So yeah, just had to put a door over there. What? Just had to put a chair by the door. I'm done putting in my deep conditioner, and this is the hair that came out while I was combing it. Imagine 2 clumps of this. That would be like the total amount of hair that I lost throughout this whole process. That's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new about me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one, which will be something exciting, I think. I don't know.